Are you feeling a little lonely? Well, worry no more, because my Discord server has a way to cure it. What's up everyone, it's Legendofthecuber, and here on the channel I help cubers like you get better at cubing. And a little later I am going to tell you my secret for getting better. But for now, let's talk about my Discord server. My server, Legends Cubing Server, is an amazing place for cubers to hang out and talk about cubing. There are also quite a few activities. Race your cuber friends in a versus battle, or send some funny memes to make them laugh. The possibilities are literally endless. And no need to worry about toxic people. This is a family-friendly server. I also have rules set in place to keep this server clean and family-friendly. This server also features a level system. Let me explain. The more time you spend chatting in the server, you will earn XP. And once you get enough XP, you will level up. In some levels, for example, level 9 will give you the role Pro. And the higher role you are, it will allow you to do more things in the server. It's a really cool system actually. Legends Cubing Server is a really cool place. And me personally, I find servers like this to be really fun. And I would definitely recommend you join it too. You can check the pinned comment for the link, and I'll also leave it in the description. Do you guys remember I told you I'd tell you my secret? Well, recently I learned that one of the best ways to get better is to watch example solves. I'm sure you get told this a lot from other people's videos, but let me tell you, they're not lying. When you watch example solves, you should know what they're doing and learn it. And when you do your slow solves, or just regular solves, try to do what the example solves taught you. Example solves are just a really good way to find out how pro cubers do it. Now to get started, you can go watch these example solves, or you should go watch some more of these cubing tips. Don't forget to join the Discord.